Hello everyone, I am planning to conduct a course on computer aided drug design. This is going to be a 40 lecture 8 weeks course, and you will have quizzes as well as the final exam. Drug discovery and pharmaceutical business is a very big business. It is a 1.1 trillion US dollars, which is a huge business, and many drugs fail. Although they work very well in the lab, they fail because they do not have stability, or maybe they are toxic, or they have side effects, or maybe they have poor efficacy, and so these are found when animal trials are conducted or human volunteer trials are conducted. So the money that is spent on the R&D goes down the drain. So drug discovery is a very expensive process. They say almost 1 billion US dollars is spent on discovering a novel molecule, and it takes about 10 years. So computer aided drug design can really help in reducing the cost as well as speeding up the entire process, because computers can scan a lot of molecules and identify using softwares whether they have the desired drug likeness property. That means whether they have good absorption in the GI, good distribution, whether they are stable at various pH conditions, whether they get excreted properly, and whether they have side effects, toxicity, and so on. So there are a lot of softwares available to do that sort of calculations. So I am going to talk about all these. I will be talking about molecular modeling, I will be talking about molecular mechanics, force fields, quantum mechanics. I will talk about the ligand based drug discovery as well as the target based drug discovery. In the ligand based, we will look at pharmacophore modeling, we will look at quantitative structure activity relationship, 2-dimensional QSAR or 3-dimensional QSAR, and then we will look at how the molecules, the ligands go and bind to target. It could be a protein, enzyme, and how they go and bind very efficiently. How do you go about designing molecules so that it makes the protein or enzyme inactive by effective binding. So we will also demonstrate a lot of software, all freely available software in the net. So I am going to talk only about freely available software. There are plenty of softwares which can do the job, excellent softwares, softwares for molecular modeling, molecular mechanics, softwares are there, MOPAC, which is a semi-empirical quantum mechanics, one of the best softwares. We have AutoDock, which can do the docking of ligands to protein. We have Build QSAR, 3D QSAR softwares which can do quantitative structure activity relationship. We have software called PharmaGist which can find out the pharmacophore features of ligands. All these are freely available. In addition, we will look at plenty of databases, like Zinc database, databases like FDA, DrugsDB, DrugsCom. So plenty of databases which have structures of millions and millions of drugs, nutraceuticals, just plain molecules. So we will be looking at all these, and I hope you enjoy the course. I hope you will learn how to use the various softwares for designing molecules, not only with the good efficacy or activity, but also with the good drug likeness property and good absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion property, as well as with good bioavailability properties. Okay, so I hope you join the course and get benefited from this course. Okay, I will see you around. Bye.